How to download Trust Wallet app. So if you want to download Trust Wallet application on your device, then first of all you need to check your internet connection. So if your internet connection is stable, then you can open up your Play Store or your App Store and then go for the search bar and search for Trust Wallet. And once you've searched for that, here you will have your Trust Wallet. Simply tap on the install button. And once you've tapped on that, it will start downloading, or it will start the installation. So it might take some time depending on your data or your Wi-Fi connection to download. And once it's downloaded, you can tap on open, which is on the right side, and you can log into your account or you can create a new wallet. So that's it. That's how you download and install. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.